Takis! Yum, yum, yum. Eat them up, right? Yo, Takis are the best snack food. Let's break it down. I've made many videos about hating things. Mushrooms, olives, the Milwaukee Bucks. Yeah, that's a good one. It's halftime right now. Go Pacers. But right now, we're going to talk about my favorite snack food, Takis. Now, look at it right here. Chat, look at it. Oh, chat, look at it. Beautiful. Now look. Bro's in here wilding. Bro. Yo. This flavor, this size bag. This flavor, this size bag. Best kind to get. It's good seasoning. Good taste. All that. Man. I mean, I'm just eating them. You know what I mean? This is a video of me eating them. Go eat your favorite snack. Comment down below your favorite snack. Like the video if these are your favorite snack. If not, dislike the video. Dislike the video right now if Taki is not your favorite snack. And then comment what your real one is. Thank you guys for watching. Eat Takis. Very short video, just like usual. I'm running out of content. And we get blue thumbs. All you gotta do for that is thank you. Peace out, guys.